This is Dawn Bahr with HomeSmart Real Estate, and today I have Travis Schmidt with me from Fairway Mortgage. I wanted to ask Travis about a not so common loan that not very many people know about, and it could actually expand your options as a buyer. And that is, what is it called, Travis?
Well, we were talking about this earlier. It's called the Renovation Loan, and it's actually a loan that I'm very passionate about, even though not very many people actually, take the time to learn about it. With today's market, it's very important because it gives you the ability to go into a less desirable home, and see the vision and get funds to basically build this home out the way that you want. So if you walk into a home, let's say the kitchen isn't up to par, or you want to add another bedroom, this program will give you the ability to add those things or change them at the time that you take possession of this home. So don't be afraid to look at some of those less desirable homes. Like, don't necessarily think that you have to go to your max purchase price. Look at some of those other homes that people aren't making offers on. It might be able to give you the leg up over the competition.